Are you looking to build a financial model for your startup or business? Are you tired of wrestling with complicated formulas and outdated spreadsheets? It's time to meet Sturppy. What's up, founders? John here, and today I am pumped to introduce you to Sturppy, the simplest way to build an investor-ready financial model for your startup or small business. Let's jump into it. The first thing you'll do is select your business type for the model you want to build. This helps tailor the model building experience, but regardless of your selection here, you'll still have the total control and flexibility to customize everything that you want. From the home screen, you have access to awesome resources like our financial glossary, docs, tutorials, and a lot more goodies built by our team. The home screen also points you towards what to do next. And as we all know, every good financial model starts with customer acquisition, am I right? You have no idea what I'm talking about, but that is all right. Don't sweat it. Each section of the platform you stumble upon will have a 1-minute video explaining everything in layman's terms. And if you see a term or acronym that looks like Latin, hit the question mark next to it. It'll reveal definitions, benchmarks, and tips for estimating things for your unique business. And if all else fails, use the live chat and a modeling expert from our team will lend you a hand. We all know that basic is not going to cut it when it comes down to competing for investors' attention. And that's really where Sturppy outshines Excel and spreadsheet templates. You can go beyond your basic model and create hiring plans, model cap tables, add custom KPIs, sharpen your pitch using real Q&A from the world's top VCs, and create best case and worst case scenarios for your model with a single click. You can even use the AI-driven valuation section to see on a scale of 1 to Jeff Bezos just how rich you'll be in the future. And of course, Sturppy also supports all the features you'd expect from a modern day SaaS tool, like version controls, collaborating with teammates, and even allows you to share read-only links with your future investors. And that's just some of the magic of Sturppy. So, are you ready to build a financial model that investors can trust with a tool that you will love? Start using Sturppy today.